Universal Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. One important thing, guys, is if you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. If you want to book one-on-one personal reading with me related to career, relationship, situationship, the details are given in the description box below. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to learn online tarot learning workshop and numerology workshop, 10 days and 15 days workshop, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, and yes, kindly help us to cross 1000 subscribers, guys. Okay, we are really working hard. Sorry for the delay. Okay, this time I know I'm really fucked up. Okay, because I'm getting so many bookings and I'm not getting much of the time, and since this is a retrograde season, so I am uploading very very less reading, like readings at a lesser time. Okay, that's what's going on. Okay, so yes, so yeah, let's check it out what's going on with the Scorpios. Romance, career, relationship, finance. Okay, romance, career, relationship and finance. Okay, okay, Geminis, you are regaining your power back into your romantic love life. There's a new beginning happening into your romantic love life, new love offer, or a person is coming back from a person is coming back from the past. Okay, your past person. Okay, it can be new also for single, for the people who are dealing with single, who are single, then a new love might enter into their life. Okay, and for the people who are actually committed, but were going through some separation. Okay, so the person is coming back from the past. New beginning in love, new solid beginning, solid commitment, solid offer, solid foundation will be happening this time. Okay, okay, wow. Okay, in the past I think you had a tarot moment. Okay, like demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic cycle. Okay, happened for you guys. Okay, 1 minute, guys. So yeah, demolishing of a bad cycle, bad situation, toxic cycle happened in the past. Okay, and I think you were into a separation mode. Okay, with this person, whosoever you are dealing with, the Scorpios. Okay, but you still had a few feelings left for this person. Okay, you were feeling very unstable without this person. Okay, but you were not showing your love or your true feelings towards this person. Okay, but now I think either you or someone else is coming towards you with an offer of love. Okay, either of the one will be taking action. I don't know who, because I need to clarify it, but I'm telling you that one person between both of you will be taking an action towards the other person. Okay, because you both want stability when it comes to this relationship, this connection. Okay, yes, okay, okay, guys. Wow, you will be taking an action and you will be victorious when it comes to your love life. Okay, there's a new beginning, new life, new beginning into your romantic love life, guys. Okay, into your career life, there is some waiting game going on. Waiting game is going on because you are unhappy with your finances. You are contemplating, thinking about how to rebuild your finances. Okay, there's some sort of issues going on into your into your career life. Okay, some sort of waiting game is going on. You might be thinking that money might be stuck into your career life as well. Okay, so yes, you are feeling very sad, depressed, worried about your finances, okay, and you want to move forward into your life with a proper stability into your financial finances, okay, but you cannot because something is holding you back. I think this lockdown or this pandemic is holding you back, okay. Yes, but yeah, something is going on. Yeah, but yeah, new beginning will be coming because you will be removing an obstacles which is coming into your way. You will be taking an action to move forward. It will take time, but yeah, there are a lot of opportunities waiting for you into your career life. It might be you might take an action to start a new business, to start a new career, to start a new life, okay. Something will be there. You are thinking and contemplating a lot. Shifting energy shift is there into your career life, okay, so do not worry about it. Yeah, so if in the past your yeah, so if in the past your you had a lot of troubles coming onto your way into your career life, those you will be removing and you will be taking an action towards taking a decision which way you want to go, which direction you want to choose, okay. That will be that is it, okay. Yes, so yeah, let's so career life is all about good. You'll be taking action, you're just waiting for the right time to move, okay, or universe is guiding you to take wait for a while and take an action at the right time, okay. So do not worry about it, okay. Lot of new opportunities will be there, okay. If you cannot see those opportunities, do not worry, that will be coming at the right time, okay. Yes, not now at least, okay. So yes guys, sorry for the disturbance, okay. So yeah, into your relationship, if you were not clear in the past when it comes to your past person who left you in the past, okay, I can mostly see a past person is coming back, okay, not a new person. It is, I don't know, the people who are into relationship, the people who are into separation, okay, the people who had a breakup, I think this part is for them, okay, this relationship part, okay, particularly. So yeah, I think the past person is coming back, okay. If you were not clear with this story who left you in the past, or this person who left you in the past, now you are gaining a lot of clarity when it comes to this past person, okay. And yeah, I think you have a lot of obsession with this person, like either physical or intimate, okay. So some sort of distance is there, but at the same time you both have obsession for each other, okay. You are feeling obsessed, like, with each other, not in the negative way but in a positive way. You cannot you have like energy on the other level, which is keeping you at a, what I can say, it's like very different energy I can feel, okay. So you are feeling very obsessed with each other, okay, like either physically, emotionally or spiritually, okay. That you will know better, okay. But yeah, you are waiting for some sort of news to hear, and I think your past person is coming back towards you, okay. But you are waiting for some sort of message, some sort of text, some sort of email from your person, because you are going through some sleepless nights, okay. So yes, but yeah, that person is definitely coming back from the past, because I can see there's a new beginning, a passionate new beginning with the past person. And the people who are single, a new person, you might get an offer of a relationship to become a girlfriend, boyfriend, okay. Who are single, okay, but who were into relationship in the past, or who were, there's some sort of past energy is there. So past person is coming back for sure, okay. I don't know why, but yeah, past person is coming back, okay. I have that strong indication, okay. Now finances, if you were thinking about your financial issues, okay, a lot, Geminis, and you had a stuck up energy when it comes to your financial matter. You are really thinking about your stability when it comes to your finances. You will be guarding up yourself, you are actually protecting yourself, you are thinking a lot about your financial issues, okay, how to rebuild your finances and how to reach towards a certain level of goal when it comes to your financial matter. It's all about right now you are just going into the planning and implementing mode. Okay, execution will be taking place in the month of August. Okay, so yes, you have a, like, I think if you were thinking about to reach to a certain level, to reach to a certain goal, to reach to a certain aim, okay, so those things will be there. Okay, for sure, you will be guarding up yourself, you will be feeling very stuck up into your financial issues. Okay, at the same time you will be thinking about what my life is, what am I going through. Okay, so do not worry about it, your financial issues will improve very soon. Okay, and I think, I think you will find a lot of stability when it comes to your finances. Okay, so do not worry about it. Okay, I'm picking up oracle cards, guys. Okay, the tarot decks which I'm using, the details are given in the description box below. Wow, new beginning in love, Scorpios. Beautiful. Past is coming back. Painting. That's beautiful. Not for everyone, past is coming back. Some, in few of the zodiacs, endings are also there. So yeah, good that past is coming back, and this time it will be a passionate new beginning you will be having, not just the same pattern. Okay, it will be a new one, which is very good, I guess. Okay, yes. Okay, so yeah, the two cards which I have taken, the moon and the magician. Okay, so you are manifesting something. I think either you are manifesting a connection, or either you are worried about manifesting your finances. Okay, so either of the one you can take, but you are manifesting something, you are hoping, believing in something for a positivity. Okay, and yeah, the moon, it's all about fearful energies. So yeah, you have a fearful energy, you have some sort of fearful energy, definitely, and there will be some truths, the hidden truths, hidden secrets will be coming out, either from your side or your partner's side. Okay, so yes, you can take it. So yeah, I've got 6 cards from oracle cards, so I'll be explaining you everything. Okay, I just cannot, I have to take all of it. I don't know why, but yeah, I have to. Let's take it. So the first was, you are tuning in with your spiritual awakening, integration. You are integrating with your soul. Okay, you are going through some major shit, major transformation, and I think now you are understanding yourself better. Like self-awareness, self-worth is better in your life this time. Okay, if you were suppressing your feelings, then the hidden feelings, hidden truths, you will be expressing it proudly to your partner, to your connection. And if it was vice versa, then take it the other side, other way around. Okay, so yeah, number 10 is all about completion. So completion of a cycle, separation, ending of a separation. Okay, and coming together, reunion, reconciliation will be taking place, new beginnings from a past love, past passionate love. Okay, so yeah, you need to make some sort of compromise. Okay, number six is all about compromising to have a solid commitment. Okay, solid, truthful commitment, and solid foundation, solid commitment, which will last forever. Okay, so yeah, either you or your partner might have to, you both have to make certain sacrifices at that level. Okay, yes, and there is some delays going on with the reunion, reconciliation, I can see. Okay, so if you want a new beginning, but I think there are some delays happening, either into your career life, or either into your work life, or either into your relationship. Okay, so some sort of postpone is going on, definitely. Okay, number 4 is all about creativity. Okay, So you will be feeling more creative, but some sort of delays are definitely there, okay, right now happening at the moment. And you are just going with the flow right now. You are just not thinking about it, you are just going with the flow, like, you have just left it on the universe, okay. It's going. And number 2 is all about evaluating the pros and cons, which direction to choose, and taking an action towards one direction. So hello, sorry. So yeah, guys, if you know you are going through some sort of moment to moment, means some sort of evaluating the pros and cons, advantages and disadvantages, thinking about which direction, which choices you need to make, okay. So yeah, again number 2, wow, 2 solid commitment is coming. 2 we have 3 2, beautiful. Guys, this time if you will reunite, you will be more understanding, you will be more strong, your bond will be more strong, and you will be best friends, okay, first, and then you will proceed further. And 2 is a universal message. So yeah, major changes are on the way. I have seen just now 2. Wow. And if there is any third party situation, those things will be ending, and you will be self reclaiming your power back, okay. You will be into your power, redefining your power back. Beautiful, guys. Wow, yeah, I'm having so many positive vibes. Beautiful. Okay, so healing messages. So the healing message for relationship, healthy relationship. There are multiple ways to look at any situation. Beautiful. The second healing message for living in society. It is possible to maintain one's individual creativity, identity, and also be in an intimate, committed relationship. The healing message for healing fear. Sometimes I can discover more of my own intellectual gifts, talents by making a decision alone without someone else's input. Beautiful, guys. Past person is coming back. That is what I'm, picking up. Okay. And third party situations are ending, if any. Okay. Many people are going through transformation. So this is not just you, okay. Every other person is going through some sort of energies, okay. Take whichever part resonates you the best, and leave the rest, okay, because it can be someone else's energy as well, okay. This is just a general reading. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Bye bye, Scorpios. See you tomorrow or the other day.